Okay, so sometimes when you're writing a computer program, you have some behaviors that may repeat. Take this example of the lap challenge, and I'm going to hit the run and see the robot. You can see, what does it have to do? It has to go straight and then turn, and then go straight and then turn, and then go straight and then turn. So let's look at the program that we use to create this behavior. Hopefully you've seen this already. We have this part of the program where motor C and motor B are both on at 100, which will make the robot go straight. Then we have motor C going forward at positive 100, and we have motor B going backwards at negative 100. So that's going to make the robot turn. There's a couple ways we could make this behavior repeat. One way is we could control C, copy and paste, and copy and paste, and it's going to do that behavior over and over again. But there's a faster way. Take a look at this program. Instead of copying and pasting our behavior, here's the forward and here's the turn, what we do is we create a variable, we call it turn, and we set it equal to 0.
Hey, dog.
And then we have a while loop. The word while in RobotC is used to repeat a behavior again and again. And so in here we have a condition, and we said while turn is less than 3. Initially we created turn and made it equal to 0. So right now it's definitely less than 3. The while loop is contained inside of curly brackets, and it's going to repeat all of this behavior as long as this condition is true. So as long as turn is less than 3, it's going to be repeating what's in here. And what is in here? Well, what did we do before? We went straight, then we turned. And then we said turn equals turn plus 1. So turn used to be 0, but now turn is turn plus 1. It's 1. It hits the end of the curly bracket. It goes up and checks. Is turn still less than 3? Yeah, it's 1. That's less than 3. It does it again. Then we add 1 again. Now it's 2. It goes up and checks turn condition again. Are we less than 3? Yeah, we're 2. Does it again. Goes up. Now we're 3. Oh, 3 is not less than 3. So it goes past this bracket to whatever is left. And what is left down here? Just another closed bracket to end the file. And that stops the program, and that is the end. So that's how you can use a variable, which was turn, and a while loop to repeat a behavior again and again. And it's more efficient programming. It's a little better, and a different way to repeat something.